Welcome, here I've got Motorola Moto G9 Plus and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera location tags at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner. When we pick this button we can open the advanced camera settings. Now let's slide a little bit down to the safe settings. At the second place here we have the save location option, so this function allows us to save location of our photo, so the area where we take a picture can be saved here, and to turn this off and all we have to use this button like that. And also the important information here is that to make it work correctly when we want to save the actual location of our picture, we have to be connected with the internet, for example the Wi-Fi, and we have to turn on the location of this device, so remember about these two parameters to make it work. And now let me turn it on all of these settings and let's go back to the camera to take a picture. Now let's move here to the right corner at the bottom. When we tap on this square icon, we get quick access to the gallery, and this is our picture. To check its location, we have to just simply slide a little bit down, and as you can see here we have location with map, so greetings from Krakow, Poland. This is how it works. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and give the thumbs up.